In the words of Britney Spears, oops, I did it again. This is my new 1995 factory manual Lexus SC300. I sold the gold SC and I'm selling the Integra. This car, it was just down the road from me all the time. This one and a green one, both 95, both factory manual. Dad and his son, they both had one. I went to see the green one, made an offer. You know, couldn't really make a deal, but the son had this car. And he was like, well, you know, I'm selling mine too. And I wanted it, so I got it. It's a really nice car. It's in great shape. It's dirty right now, but like it's minimal rust. It has that missing, that's missing. This is a black mirror, but all the rest, like the car is nice. The only little spot of rust it has is right over here, which yesterday I kind of poked that hole a little more. It wasn't open before, but I wanted to see how sturdy it was, and I promptly figured out. But you know, car's all good. There's no rust underneath, none. The trunk has no water in the wheel well, which for me is a big deal because I hate it when that happens. Car has 161,000 miles. It definitely has a bunch of oil leaking, but you know, that's all right. You know, that happens. That's easily fixable. And I love it, you know, it's a really good car. Interior is in all right condition. This seat has a big grip, but it's soft, it's working, or it's not working actually. That side of the rail is stuck. So if I use that to move the seat up back and forth, only this side moves, so the seat is kind of tilting. I want to fix that. The steering wheel doesn't tilt down, but that's a super easy fix, which I'm in the middle of doing. Car's dirty. There's a bunch of stuff here that was still there from the previous owner. Bunta is already here. He's already made his home. A couple ribs over there, but all in all, it's pretty good. I love that it's red. I really wanted a Renaissance Red SC. I'm happy that I found it. And there's this, which I always thought was cool. I don't know why. And that's not a sticker. Like, that's there. It's part of the pinstripe. Previous owner had it for 5 years, and he said that the previous owner before him had this car since 1997. And he said that that guy had the pinstripe done. I want to keep it because I love the pinstripe. Like over here, this looks really cool, I think, you know. But yeah, that's my new car. I'm so excited. It's already registered, insured. This car is already not insured anymore. This is now my daily driver. I need to get some new tires, some new wheels. These tires are dry rotted and old and awful. The wheels don't look the best, although it's more so just the center caps now that I realize. Yeah, I want to get rid of these, get some new ones, and make it better. I already have some wheels that I'm looking at, so hopefully I'll get those soon. But for now, let's see if we can fix the steering wheel. So this is the interior of the car. Manual 5-speed. Second gear is a little crunchy sometimes, so sadly the synchros are probably on their way, but you know, we'll enjoy them as much as we can. Steering wheel doesn't come down if I do this. You can hear that little grinding noise. That's just a little gear that's spinning but not catching onto anything. I've removed this screw, and there's two of them under here, and now I'm trying to remove this little, what they call a clamshell, without breaking it, which I'm finding extremely hard because it's plastic. But yeah, the interior's in not bad shape. All this works. One of the speakers back is blown, and that is like that, but that's not too big of a deal. And the doors are cracked. Both of them have this little crack. The seatbelt's a little defiled, but I don't care. All this works. This light bulb is burnt. I gotta replace that, but this one works. Sunroof works. The seat works. AC works. Heat, you know. The car's mint. It's so stock. It has no modifications apart from T and coilovers. Apart from that, it's absolutely stock with the factory exhaust leak. Yeah. Anyway, clutch has also probably had more action than it was supposed to, but that's the mileage. It's a great car. Right, so after much finagling, this thing just like kind of popped off. Yeah, so now I gotta remove these 3 bolts. I gotta start learning how to do everything one-handed so that I can film it.
That's what she said. Michael.
There's a little washer on here. Make sure not to lose that washer. Going in my little parts. Probably should have stayed filming because as soon as I stopped filming, I almost stripped that screw. You can see it's already a little fucked up. So let me go see if I can find something better than this, because this is too long and I can't get it in properly.
That's what she said.
If you want to know why we have to pay mechanics so much money to work on our cars, but I went through like so many little bits that I could put on the end of this little concoction. 1/4 inch, and then this. Let's try the Phillips head carefully. And then I was able to get it in there, and then it broke loose, no problem. We'll get this out of here. Maybe I need to remove that one also because there's this cover here. I have to get that little piece off. Accurate toolbox. And I'm just gonna guess that that's a 10 mil. Would you look at that? I was right. I was actually tightening it, but let's not talk about that. There you go, got this. Oh, boy. So that's a little gear. So there's some Oreo in here. So what I gotta do is, yeah, see, so you can kind of see it here. My guess is this gear is not moving this properly. I'll just, yeah, put a couple washers behind it. I don't even think I need to put a washer in front because this seemingly already is a washer. So yeah, this is gonna work perfectly. If you wanna know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. See? So yeah, so all we need to do is push this washer. Oh! This is loose. It's like mad loose. Big surprise, it's also a 10 mil. It's actually probably a 9 mil, but 10 works. It's not too tight. Perfect. So what I did, I just took these couple picks. This is like I guess a 90-degree one. This is an actual true 90-degree one. Again, I will vacuum this, I promise. And this yellow grease is actually a Lexus specific grease just for this thing. Try not to waste too much of it. I don't know what that brown stuff is. Looks like, honestly, it does kind of look like custard and Oreos, but yeah, let's clean all that up and then put the washers in and we'll be good to go. Newsflash, the washers I got are not big enough to clear this metal piece, so let's drive over to the hardware store, get some big ass washers and fix this problem. Probably not a good idea to leave my very stealable Acura Integra like that, and the driver door is open too, by the way, so let's go back. This car is very good though. It drives so smooth. Yeah, second is a little crunchy. The exhaust leak is definitely there, but it's so smooth, man. Very, very smooth. I very much like it. Coilovers, they're probably on the softest setting because honestly, they're just barely bouncier than like a regular car. Like Rachel's car, the Forester, it's got pretty firm suspension. See, like now it didn't crunch. It's got pretty firm suspension. Rides very similar to this. So yeah, I'm very much loving it. And I also want to fix the seat as soon as I can because my knees are hitting over here. So like if I try to rev match, my knees are always like, I don't have space to move my legs, you know? But yeah, it's cool. There you go, that's it. This one is gonna fit. So we're here, let's hope this works. I mean, if it doesn't, we'll just return it. But let's hope it works. We'll put one in there. All right, one, put two. I guess you're gonna fall down a little bit, but that's, I guess, fine, right? Can I leave that one there? Let me do this without the phone in my hands. Cool, so now this fits absolutely snug. Like there is no extra play. It's on there, and that is perfectly on that track. So put this on. I will tighten it, but not too much. That's probably fine, honestly. Cool, that's good. Let's try it out. Where are my keys? Moment of truth, people. I sure hope this works. Yeah. Oh. I think I just killed it. Because the motor started moving and then it just stopped. Maybe I tightened it too much. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, now I can actually see my mileage. I can actually see everything. This is amazing. I'm very happy. Nice. So I just reassembled the whole little plastic thing here and all that stuff over there. I made sure to put that crappy bolt over to this side, but I didn't tighten them up too much anyway. I didn't tighten that 10 mil at all because like one bolt just held it in, so why bother? Will say though, this only goes on if the wheel is tilted like this. I don't know why, but as soon as I turned the car on, turned the wheel to expose this, which I need exposed anyway. As soon as I did that, it just clicked on into place perfectly. So don't break it. I'm very happy I didn't break any 30-year-old plastic. Very happy about that. It might just be me being overly excited about the fact that I fixed this myself, but I can't tell you how significant it feels to be able to do this. I also got to fix that because that, you know, there's no LED there, but that's not a big deal. But this makes such a big difference, and I'm very happy